Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dakota, and if you're new here, hello, it is so good to have you, and I hope you decide to join us here at the DEKXDA Army. We're small but we are growing. I see y'all joining, I see y'all recruiting your friends. I see you. So today I just played around with some makeup. It's been a while since I filmed a video, since I got to sit down and talk and just adventure with you guys. So I decided to do that today, okay? I decided to do that today. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. It's been a long time since I've last filmed a video, but have no fear, I'm back for real this time. I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I'm trying to do the soap brows, and honestly I forgot to take off like the soap that stuck to around my eyebrow, so now it looks a little crazy, but none of that matters because nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it. Everybody has those days. I'm gonna jump right ahead into my eyeshadow today. I really wanted to do like something very minimalist but extra at the same time. So if you would like to see how I achieve that, keep on watching. So I'm going to be taking some concealer. It doesn't really matter what concealer you use as long as you're using like some sort of base on your eyelid. I just like to use concealer because I feel like it does the same job as an eyeshadow primer, sometimes even better, and just blend that out. Now that I have my eyelids primed, I'm going to go right ahead and jump into the eyeshadow. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible because I am starting to film on my camera, and I'm not the best at it. So that being said, I'm going to do my best to make this video come out right. I'm going to take a small packing brush and a brown gel liner or brow pomade, and I'm just gonna pack that onto my eyelid. I am gonna do sort of like a brown smoky eye today, so I just want to make sure that there's a nice dark base underneath of the shadows I'm gonna pack on. This is a really good tip for anyone who wants to attempt a really pigmented smoky eye. If you pack on like a gel liner or something like that, like it can be I know they make actual eyeshadow bases that are colored, and just using anything as like a kind of a liquid base to pack powders on will get you so far. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Original Morphe palette. This is the first one, and I'm just gonna take this nude shade here. You can use any, nude shade, and I'm just gonna buff this out. Me personally, like, I just like wearing makeup whenever I want. If I feel like wearing really dark eyeshadow, I'm going to. No one's going to stop me. I'm gonna take a darker brown similar to this one. I don't know if they have shade names. I think they're in the back. So now I'm gonna take the shade, I guess, Central Park, on this small little packing brush that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna pack that dark shadow over top of where I added the brow pomade. I'm also going in with the shade Soda Pop. It just adds like the darkness, the depth that I want to add to the eyelid. I use big words that I don't really know the meaning to. I don't really know what I'm saying. Period! So I'm just gonna pack that on, make sure it's extra pigmented, make sure everything is as pigmented as possible, and then I'm gonna go back in with a nude shade and just buff it out. If you can see, there's kind of like a ring around the dark eyeshadow, and that's because it all kind of settled in and there's like a thin line between there. I'm gonna take a warmer brown to just really darken up that crease. Once you have it as blended and as pigmented as you desire, you can go ahead and stop and start getting into your face, or you can just, make it darker, do what you please. I'm gonna just jump right in and do my lashes. For lashes today, I'm gonna be using my Glammy Co lashes in the style Glam Doll. Guys, these lashes are Absolutely so pretty. They're so gorgeous. Obviously I've used them a couple times, but I don't care. Y'all, I'm skeptical about my lash glue. I said this on my story, but after using this like a couple times, I fell in love with it and I realized like, holy shit, I like this one, which is pretty awesome. So thank you, Glammy Co. I'm just gonna use this lash adhesive and put this on there. A little goes a long way, but I don't believe in little, so a lot will do a lot.
I know that's right. I know that's right, babe.
Glammy Co is a small brand, so guys, please make sure you go and show them some love. It means so much when you support small businesses. It's really helpful and nice. So for mascara today, I'm going to be using my Lily Lashes Triple X mascara. I love this mascara. Once again, Glammy Co lashes in the style Glam Doll, guys. I feel like Glam Doll. I feel like a doll. Before I get into my face makeup, I'm gonna make sure my lips are nice and moisturized. And how am I gonna do that, you ask? Let me show you. So recently I have dropped my own lip oil collection. I only have one flavor or scent or whatever. I only have one style available, and it's my vanilla honeysuckle lip oil. I'm selling them through my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me over on my Instagram, because you know, so you can be informed with more stuff that comes from me. So today I'm going to be using a never seen before lip oil. This is my rose quartz lip oil that I'm working on. This is just the sample product, but I thought, you know, because it's been a while, I might as well, like, you know, let you guys in on some tea. Lip oils are so good for moisturizing your lips. Lip oils do so much better than like the average chapstick. So guys, make sure you check out my Instagram. Make sure you go check out and shop local, shop small businesses. Your girl's a CEO. This is just the beginning for my brand, so I'm so excited for what's to come later on. Enough chit to chat. I will promote more of these, of my lip oils later on, but let's just get right into the face. I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and be just rubbing that into my face. Guys, make sure you wash and moisturize your face before you even think about putting makeup on. That's the first thing I do before even like doing my eyebrows or anything. Like, it's moisturize, and then moisturize some more. I'm just gonna take this concealer and I'm gonna put this on before I put my foundation, just because I feel like it really brightens underneath my eyes and I need extra of that. Lightly blend all this out, just lightly, just enough to where it looks like it's blended, but it's not fully blended, just so it's like not as kicky underneath of my foundation. I'm just gonna do this a little bit faster than I would with a brush because I'm impatient. So I'm gonna take this ColourPop concealer and just lightly add some dots. This shit is very red, very orange, very warm toned. Not my shade, but it does her job, so she's going to do it. Oh, see? A little really goes a long way. Ah, no. Yeah, I'm gonna have a nice neck strap today. I'm gonna go in with foundation now. I'm gonna take the Morphe Fluidity foundation in the shade F210, and I'm gonna just go in. I know I look very unflattering right now, but I promise this all gonna make sense. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics foundation brush. It is vegan and cruelty free. That's one thing I really love about BH Cosmetics, is that they offer a lot of vegan and cruelty free products, which is amazing and important. Guys, my hair has been copper blonde for a while now. I had the great idea to do those e-girl bangs or whatever, but I completely missed I missed my shots, and I did half of my head instead. And I really like it. Like, I genuinely like it. I feel like being blonde is so much fun compared to my natural brunette roots. But I feel like the time has come, and I really want to change my hair color again. I don't know if I want to keep it like, keep going platinum with it, or if I just want to do a color, or if I'm going to go back to my natural color. So, you know what, I'm going to let you guys choose what the hell I should do. If you think I should change my hair color, if you think I should keep going blonde. Like, what are your personal references when it comes to hair? My foundation is as blended as I really feel like it's going to be with this brush. So now it's time to go in with the sponge. So I'm taking this microfiber sponge from Glammy.Co once again. Guys, okay, so when I first got this sponge, I first used it, I wasn't that big of a fan because I just felt like it was so difficult to like blend out my foundation because it was really dense, and I have like a really soft sponge. But the more I use it, the softer it gets, and I'm obsessed. I'm sold. I love it, and I will definitely be buying these sponges more often. I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer today. I'm just gonna be taking like any fluffy bronzing brush and just, I love this bronzer so much. For lips, I've honestly been doing the same exact thing. I'm going to be taking this Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nude, and just really give my lips some shape even though they don't exist. I'm going to add this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Berry Good over top of that. Guys, I've just been keeping my lips very simple. I feel like it's just, I'm gonna end up going somewhere if I put lipstick on, and then I can't, like, no. I barely even put stuff on my lips anymore because it's just like, where am I going? Where am I going? Please let me know. Alright, so I guess we can highlight now, since, you know, I saved the best for last. And to highlight, I'm going to be using the Babe in Paradise palette from Bretman Rock and Morphe. And this is honestly, if you've been on my channel for a while, I love this palette. It's my favorite. I definitely got to restock because I'm running low. I'm just going to go in with a couple of shades here and really highlight my cheekbones. Yo, my skin looks disgusting. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I went ahead and threw on some lower lashes. These are just some lashes that I tore up and cut up and made into lower lashes. This look is a little vampy. It's definitely not what I envisioned to happen here, but I'm definitely not mad at it. I think I look cute. I think I look good. Yes. Thank you so much for just being here. I hope I hope this did something. I hope this brought some positivity into your day, something, okay? Make sure you guys check out Glammy.Co. I will leave a link down below for their website so you guys can shop their products. Their lashes are amazing, and you can use my code Dakota at checkout to save 15% off. I do plan on doing a giveaway pretty soon, so I mean, if you're not already, you should make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell notification, because it might be the next video. But you're just gonna have to wait and see. If you guys are interested in shopping my lip oils, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. That is where all the details, you can shop there. It's just a small brand right now. I only have one product available to buy, but I will be expanding and there will be more pretty soon. So thank you for everyone who's helped me grow my business and all that. It means so much to me. Make sure you follow me on my other social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I have everything.
Anything.
So just make sure you show your love, and I'll make sure I'll be doing the same. You know, I love interacting with you guys. I'm definitely trying to grow my platform, definitely trying to grow my audience. So if there's any videos that you'd like to see, it doesn't just have to be makeup related. It doesn't have to be involve makeup at all. But if there's any kind of video that you'd like me to create, just make sure you leave a comment down below or DM me. My inbox is always open. I'm always open for new suggestions. So I guess the only thing I have left to say today is make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe to be a part of the DEKXDA army. I did not forget about you guys. I did not. I know it's been a couple months, but I did not forget. She's so confused with everything. She disappeared. Alright, that's when you need to get down. Hey, while you're here, why don't you go check out another one, okay? Because I have a couple now, okay? I have a couple videos, so if you aren't subscribed and if you aren't binge watching my shit, who are you? Go out there and be the change that you want to see in the world, because we need it. We need it. We need all the love. We need all the positivity that we can get and give, because the world's just so messy. I'll see you next time.